a move welcomed by the White House.
Societies are strengthened by checks and balances.
What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and in today's action-packed episode we're gonna be watching some of the best instant karma and instant justice moments. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this now, shall we? Oh, come on now, don't get salty. Please let the guy go back to the future. And here we have one very interesting way of transporting the arrested person. Bro got added to the inventory, not arrested. Imagine you do something and you end up in a situation like this. Maybe he didn't hit that subscribe button, that's why they're doing this. I don't know.
Oh, dude, she always uses small. Oh, go on. Yeah!
Oh!
Yeah!
The light couldn't be more greener, in his mind at least. And I love the reaction from these guys, they're awesome. Oh, you apocalyptic dingleberry. Why would you do that to yourself? Right in front of the cop. Bro gotta time his sudden burst of intelligence much better next time. But he played a stupid game and won a stupid prize. Welcome to the UK, everybody. Let's see what is going on here. Oh, no. What was that, bro? The police is very impressed by his driving, of course. Whoa! By the looks of it, that range was borrowed. This is crazy. Whoop! That cop forgot to turn on the traction control, but at least I hope they got them all, because they deserve it. And here, as far as I understand, that guy was driving in a lane on forbidden hours. And I don't know what's the point of closing a lane at a certain time of the day, but I'm sure there is a reason. I'm just gonna jump a red light real quick. Hopefully there's no police around here. It's like sometimes they just spawn in. Now we are in New York City, baby. And these guys are notorious for going around the city and unplugging people's chargers from their EVs. And also they like to put pineapple on pizza, so that explains a lot.
And unrest has been
Let's see what is going on
Yesterday,
here.
the Prime Minister said he would give the
Bro is like, ah, look at all of these fools waiting. I'm gonna overtake all of them.
Societies are strengthened by checks and balances.
Busted! I don't feel bad at all for these kind of people. Oh, what is going on here? That bumblebee can't go in a straight line for some reason. And somehow he hopes to get away. It's not possible, bro. And... Bowie... What? What is that? That's 007 stuff right there. I've never seen that before. At first I thought he was gonna pit maneuver him, but nope. He deployed instead some grappling device, which is pretty cool actually. Oh, you cheeky little sausage. Thinking you're better than everybody else. Bro. Funny, right? That was perfect. Let's see what is going on here. We are in a winter wonderland and that guy decided to use power, but I'm not sure that is a good idea. Nope. Oof. That was so close. And he got what he deserves. Ha! Would you look at that? That was so reckless. And now it's that crucial moment when you have to decide if you're gonna floor it or stop. And this guy decided to do something in between. So he got caught lacking. That was not a good decision. Oh, he got squeezed like a lemon, but the cop is not gonna let that slide, obviously. But man in a van is having some other ideas. And now the cop is gonna try again to deliver some sweet instant karma, and something tells me that's not his first time on the rodeo. Let's see now if the third attempt is gonna be successful. Cop goes for it, and booyah! Get wrecked! A man in a van 0, instant justice 1. And this guy doesn't feel the need to turn on his headlights, because why would you do that in the middle of the night? It's ridiculous, right? So the police decided to turn on their fancy blue and red lights to help him see better, of course, and also to write him an idiot ticket. I mean, how can someone not notice their lights are off in the middle of the night? That's astonishing. Oops, it looks like our boy got carried away a little bit. But at least the road was straight and the visibility was good, so it's not a big deal in my opinion. It looks like someone doesn't acknowledge the existence of stop signs. For that guy, they're just a myth and they don't exist.
What was that? Did he not stop?
Power! That dude is using all of it. He's flying. But I'm not really sure if the cops are gonna appreciate that. And to be honest, that was not a good idea. The road is wet, it's in the middle of the city, so that's a big no-no. He really overdone it, for sure. Here goes another genius who is like, oh look, an empty lane, it's all for me. Why is nobody using it? And the 5-0 is like, oh look, we can do that too. Check this out. And of course, he got what he asked for. Let's see what is going on here. That guy goes for an overtake, it's a risky move, and also he doesn't know that the 5-0 has the first row seats. And they were watching him all along. And also I don't know how he didn't even see him, because that was not an undercover car, and they didn't hide either, so... Actually, speaking of hiding, you should see the police in my country. You will find them in the most random places. Because they don't patrol around and pull over someone if they need to. They stay in one spot and pull over some random people for no reason. But anyways, let's get back to the video.
Bummer. Put them lights on him, copper.
Yeah!
Wow.
I like how excited they
crazy.
are. Sometimes their reaction is much better than a video. Let's see here. That was close. That was even closer. Come on, bro, just drive in the middle lane. It's not that hard. Ooh, he's getting even closer now. There is something very wrong with this guy. He might be drunk. Dearie me.
Hold on, Timmy.
No, I'm 100% sure that's the case. I mean, he had 58 close calls in the last 30 seconds. And now I'm really glad that the police is there.
Mate, that car next to you now, that guy there, he just hit another car, stationary car, and he's been weaving all over the road. Thank you.
I'm so glad that guy is gonna finally be off the road. And I understand many things, but driving under the influence, never. I have zero sympathy for those kind of people. And now this guy is like, ha, catch me if you can, coppers, see ya in Spain. That dude really pissed off somebody. That was a whole PD after him. And it looks like the circus is coming back. We now need that Benny Hill song. Dearie me. On to the next one we go. That truck is like, excuse me, coming through. Everything is great and all, but he overlooked one very important thing. It was a red light. And now we're gonna witness the genius in action. Cutting off a big and heavy truck is always a brilliant idea, right? Especially if the police is there. And now he's probably gonna send this video to BMW's HQ to brag about it. And here, from this point of view, it's hard to believe that somebody's gonna do something stupid. And there we go. Bro, he was literally in front of you. Right in your face. But I guess hiding in plain sight didn't work this time. Uh-oh, someone is on their phone. And it's always funny how they defend themselves. They're like, but officer, I'm stationary, I know what's going on around me. But only a minute ago they didn't even know the officer was behind them, even with his lights on. That's how clueless they are. Whoop whoop! Wrong way, buddy. You can't go there. I don't know how all of this was so inviting to him. I mean, you have cars, you have markings on the road, and still he was like, look at all of these people driving in the wrong direction. But I guess if he doesn't have a license, you can take it away from him. So with that pro tip, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's video. And if you did and you want to see more of these, of course, please smack that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. Just don't overdo it like these guys. And I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. I love you all. Ciao, ciao.